2 days from now, Samsung Galaxy Unpacked will unpack the Galaxy Watch 7 series. So what I am hoping for is that blood glucose monitoring finally comes onto the Galaxy Watch, in this case the 7 series. So what this would allow me, for example, to do is then maybe in the next couple of months or years get one of the next watches. Currently I do have a Galaxy Watch 4, and to then finally be able to at least approximate my blood sugar. I have never tested my blood sugar apart from these one-time measurements. I did them on a weekly basis, basically on Saturday morning usually, but then seeing how my blood sugar would actually respond and seeing also the real-time data, maybe also in Samsung Health, and then in the future potentially being able to input my food and then to see the correlations and also to see the correlations with other data as well, and also my sleep score, and maybe if my sleep score is that low, then what impact this would have on my blood sugar graph would be very interesting. So I've been waiting for the last couple of years, and I again searched up these rumors of what if blood glucose measuring would potentially get on there, and this has already been years in development. I think I recently listened to a book in which they already discussed this for one of the first versions of the Apple Watch, but they just could never make it work reliably. Maybe up until now, maybe up until 2 days, but maybe also not.